Since the dawn of time, humanity has chased one single dream: immortality. We built pyramids, wrote history, and fought wars, all to leave a mark that never fades. But in the end, the body was always our weakest link, a machine destined to stop. But what if I told you that the generation alive today might be the last one to face the inevitability of death? We are at the melting point where biology meets artificial intelligence to rewrite the very definition of life. I'm Abd El-Razek Naeem, and today we explore how AI is turning us from mortal beings into eternal legends. Death is often just a software bug within our cells. Cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease, these are glitches in our DNA code. In the past, discovering one drug took 10 years and billions of dollars. Today we have AlphaFold. This Google DeepMind system predicted the structure of 200 million proteins, a task that would have taken humans centuries. This means personalized medicine, a drug designed specifically for your DNA, hunting down cancer cells like a sniper without touching a single healthy cell. AI isn't just curing diseases, it's re-engineering aging to become a curable condition. Imagine never needing a hospital because the hospital is already inside your blood. Armies of nanobots, thousands of times smaller than a grain of sand, moving under the command of a central AI. Their job? Immediate repair. This brings us to the brain-machine interface. Projects like Neuralink are just the bridge. Imagine your memory never fading because it's backed up to a cloud. Your intelligence won't be limited by neurons, but connected to all human knowledge in a split second. At this stage, we aren't just humans anymore. We are cyborgs, the perfect blend of biological grace and digital power. But what if the body fails completely? We enter the most thrilling and terrifying realm of science: whole brain emulation. The idea is simple: scan every neuron, every memory, and every dream in your mind and upload it as a digital file. If we succeed, physical death is no longer the end. You continue to live inside a virtual universe or a new robotic body. But this raises a haunting question. Is that digital version truly you? Or just a perfect imitation? Does consciousness have a soul that can't be programmed? We are living in the moment where the definition of human changes forever. AI is not just a tool. It is the new Noah's Ark that will carry our consciousness through time. Immortality is no longer a myth. It's a mathematical equation we are very close to solving. The question is no longer, can we live forever? It is, are we ready for it? Let me know in the comments. Would you choose to live forever as a digital consciousness? Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Abd El-Razek Naeem, and this is our future.